On today's recipe, one of the most amazing waffle recipes you will ever try. Whole food, plant-based, oil-free, and delicious. Let's start it. Alright, so today we're making waffles, and I'm going to be using this thing right here. It's just a small little guy, and I'll be making my waffles there, and I'm going to show you how to make them. We're going to add our flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Don't be afraid of whole wheat flour, especially good quality whole wheat flour. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. You can use flax meal if you're allergic to corn. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, roughly around there. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of flax seeds and a tablespoon of oats, and I'm going to add a handful of walnuts. Okay, so the walnuts are nice and chopped. Some of them are big, some of them are small. They're going to make a great touch with the blueberries. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar reminds me a lot of brown sugar, so I love to use it. I'm going to add some cinnamon. And I'm going to stir my flours. Alright, now I'm going to add my liquid. I'll add these blueberries in as well. And today I'm using cashew milk, and I made it myself. 1 tablespoon of cashews to 1.5 cups of water. It's a little dry, so I'm going to give it some water. I added a date in the milk. So you want this batter to be pretty thick, but not too thick. That's good. Give it a stir, and they're good. I'm gonna add a little maple syrup just for the sweetness. 1 scoop. I think I'm gonna need about 2 scoops. And now I'm just gonna close it and hope for the best, like always. I like to put them in my tortilla warmer, and I've got 2 ready already. And see how that goes. Probably just a little bit more, but I want to keep it like that, and then I'm gonna close it. It's not quite enough, but it's perfect. I will indulge with these delicious waffles. And all you have to do to store them is allow them to cool if you want. And that's it. Just put it in the freezer. And these are great for like your boyfriend or partner or husband or whatever. Making these for them to encourage them to have plant-based snacks and meals is perfect. So there you have it. An amazing waffle recipe. These are so great. You can freeze them. You can put them in Ziploc bags. And just, like I said, you just put them in the toaster and add some peanut butter and some jelly and enjoy with bananas or fruit, berries. since they have berries inside, you can actually do bananas or something like that. These are a little soft, but they will get finished toasting inside here. Wow, look at these beautiful pancakes. Aren't they lovely? Waffles. See? You can add it to a dish. I like it with a little bit of peanut butter. A little bit of peanut butter. This is raspberry, berries, blueberries, and blackberries. And there you have it. An amazing waffle recipe. Whole food plant-based, healthy vegan style, with no refined ingredients, no refined sugars, no refined flours, and delicious. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.